Good morning students. In this video we are going to solve some sub questions of question number 2 from exercise 9.2. Now the question is, find the areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. Students, here in each sub question we have to find out area of a rectangle where length and breadth are given in terms of monomials. Now, here third sub question. Here two monomials are 20x square and 5y square. Here length is equal to 20x square and breadth is equal to 5y square. And here we have to find out area of a rectangle. Therefore, we can write here L is equal to 20x square, B is equal to 5y square. Now here we have to find out area of a rectangle. Students, we know that area of a rectangle is equal to L into B, that is length into breadth. Therefore we can write here L into B, which is equal to L is equal to 20x square. Therefore we can write here 20x square multiplied by breadth. B is equal to 5y square. Now here multiplication of two monomials. Therefore first of all here we have to multiply their coefficients. Therefore 20 into 5. Here x square, here no x variable. Therefore we can write x square. Here y square, here no y variable. Therefore we can write y square. Multiply by y square. 20 into 5, 100. X square into y square means x square y square. Therefore students, in this question area of a rectangle is equal to 100 x square y square. Now next question, two monomials are 4x and 3x square, and here we have to find out area of a rectangle. Here L is equal to 4x and B is equal to 3x square. Therefore we can write here L is equal to 4x and B is equal to 3x square. Therefore area of a rectangle is equal to L into B, which is equal to 4x into 3x square. Now here multiplication of two monomials, that is 4x into 3x square. Therefore first of all we have to multiply their coefficients. Therefore 4 into 3 in one bracket and x into x square, that is variable with same base. Now 4 3 are 12. Here multiplication of two variables with same base. Therefore here we have to add their powers, that is here power 1, here power 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Therefore x power 3, that is x cube. Therefore multiplication 12 into x square is equal to 12. Multiplication of 12 and x cube is equal to 12x cube. Therefore students, here in this question area of a rectangle is equal to 12x cube. Now next question. In this question, first monomial 3mn, second monomial 4np. Therefore here L is equal to 3mn, B is equal to 4np. Now we have to find out area of a rectangle. Therefore area is equal to L into B. L is equal to 3mn, B is equal to 4np. Therefore multiplication of coefficients 3 into 4. Here m, here no m, therefore only m. Now n, therefore multiplication of n into n. Now here b, here no b, therefore multiplication of b only 1 time. Therefore 3 4 12, m therefore we can write m one time, n into n, that is n square, therefore n square, and p as it is. Therefore here in this question, area of a rectangle is equal to 12 mn square p. Students, here we can write answer directly also. Here multiplication of 3 into 4, 12, m one time, therefore m, n into n, n square, and p only one time, therefore p. Students, in this way we can find out area of a rectangle where length and breadth of a rectangle are given in terms of monomials. Students, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.